today is deck day. It may not look like it because it's raining, but got this awning here, so I'm going to go pick up the wood. Man, that gets muddy so quick. Gonna go pick up the wood at 2 o'clock. Got these fresh ramps right here. Got some 2x4s. Mount this box up here when I get the deck on. And yeah, held up really good. I just undid that, but it's held up pretty good. I only drove it for maybe 10 minutes. I knew this wasn't going anywhere because it's so freaking heavy, loaded with junk. And the ramps are really sturdy, really heavy as well. So all good for this. Alright, freaking got the wood here. All ready to rip. Got the rough cut hemlock from the Amish. It's really nice. He just was able to put the forks right in the beam there and set her on. Now it's time to lay it out, square up the ends of the boards. It's all rough cut lumber, obviously, and get cracking. So I figured this would be a great time for an update. Me and Justin were just freaking busting on this. Got all the boards cut. Some of those are uneven, but that doesn't matter because a plate is going there. A little lip is going to be on the end that catch the ramps so they don't go flying off. Got a nice cutout here. I'll get some diamond plate for that. Maybe a little spot where it can, the cable can drag and not rough it up. Did not get the box. Probably not going to get the box today. Probably do that tomorrow. I'm going to have the box mounted up here. I got some 2x4s back there. Gonna make a little frame and get that standing up. But yeah, that is freaking sweet. I'm really stoked. Right now, I was just going through all these bolts I got for free. So, obviously, they were used. And they're just sawzawed off the end. So I have to grind every single one on the end to get the nut to go back on. But it's going to be worth it. I'm going to have a carriage bolt. Since I have them, I'm just going to put one on every 2x12. So I got two 2x12s on the outside on both, and then 5 2x10s on the inside. But the center one, I wasn't, I was expecting like a store-bought 2x12s and 2x10s where it's not literally 12 inches and 10 inches wide. But I bought this Amish rough cut lumber, and it was the actual amount. I wasn't aware of that, but that worked out even better. So the fifth board in the middle is like 7 inches wide, roughly. And that puts us right at 96 inches. So this is exactly 8 foot wide. Comes out right to the tire. Just past the tire, which is great. I know eventually I want to get a little piece of angle iron or C-channel, something, and then weld stake pockets on. Because the maximum width I'm allowed is 102 inches, so I got not 6 inches to work with. So if I get those stake pockets, that'll be pretty perfect. I measured a trailer over there, and it was just under 3 inches per side, which is just what I need. Look at this freaking unit. Finally get to see it out in the sunshine. Crazy. Came out friggin' sweet. Got all the space up here. Time to put some D-rings down and go for its first haul. Alright, first real test of the winch. Got my buddy Justin over there in the old S10. Huh? Did you check the width on the ramp? No, we'll get that. We'll get to that. It's gonna make a nice slot in the end of my bed, but whatever. Shouldn't be too bad because it's not really pulling too hard right now. Is it close?
I'm ready to get. You need some feet channels so you don't tear the feet out of your head.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. Let me just do a little checky here. Steer to your left a little bit. Alright, that's good. Oh, that's the center of the truck. You're dragging a waddle. Well, let's see here. It just barely got this corner of the ramp with the bolt.
Winch me back and I'll steer to the left a little bit. That's all I need, another inch to the left, and I've got that inch on my side.
Alright. Are you on the brakes? Yeah. All right. All right. Dang, man. Look at that. Freaking Razor and a truck. Old clapped out truck at once.
No, I don't think you're going to be able to get two cars on here like you're...
No, I don't think I'll be able to get the two cars like I was hoping.
Once you put that dovetail on.
Well, yeah, I do have more room in the back here. But that toolbox is going here, so... No, I don't have room for two cars, but I might get crafty someday. When I put the metal on...
Bump that winch again. I got it in park.
here she is, all loaded up. Ripped it all the way here, my buddy Justin's. Got, I'm not sure how much weight this is, but it's a 4-wheel drive S10, old S10, but I'm sure it's still pretty heavy. And I got no suspension, all bumper, or all bump stops. So I'm gonna have to get the airbags. They make kits that's like $300 ish. So I'll just get myself an airbag kit and not have to worry. I mean, usually this is pretty loaded, obviously, but I think it'll be alright with the airbags. Get a better way to secure the ramps for now. But yeah, freaking made it here.